Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make South Indian style yuca recipe. We just need 20 minutes for this tasty and unique recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 cups of water, then add 500 grams of yuca cut into small pieces. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 by 4 teaspoons salt. Cook on medium flame until it's cooked well. Cooking time for it depends on the type and quality of tapioca we use. After cooking the yuca, drain the water and keep aside for later use. For grinded mixture, in a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut, then add 2 green chilies, 1 shallot, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Grind it coarsely. Add this on top of the recipe. Mix it nicely. Now add 1 by 4 cup of water and close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 2 minutes, open the lid, switch off the flame and smash some yuca pieces to get better taste. Finally, for seasoning, take 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add half teaspoon urad dal, 2 dry red chilies cut into halves. Saute it for a minute on low flame. Now switch off the flame and add this to the top of the curry. Don't mix it now, close the lid. After 10 minutes we can mix it well. Our South Indian style yuca recipe is ready. This recipe is inspired from Kerala home kitchen. We just need only 20 minutes for this tasty and unique recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.